we've made managing device modes easier. Change modes by tapping the different icons under My Mode. Manage your modes by hitting Edit. Tap on an existing mode in order to edit it. Click Add Schedule to set a time for the app to automatically change to this mode. In Mode Settings, you can also add a new mode by hitting Add New Mode. Name your mode, and then tap your devices to set their desired behavior in this mode. Press Save to save your new mode. In Mode Settings, hit the icon in the upper right corner to rearrange the order of your modes. These changes will be reflected on the home screen.